Life is yours, kindle it. In this video, we are going to consider what is true religion. How can true religion help us to kindle our life? What is our present belief about religion? The benefits of studying and understanding religion, the cause of differences in religions and their effect, the distrust and quarrels about religion. Our indifference to religion is either because it is bad or due to our incapacity to understand it. True religion never dies. Hinduism is not dead. For example, a tree has dried up and has no leaves or flowers. It is of no use to travelers who earlier benefited from its shade. It is getting ready to be cut. A scientist who is a lover of trees notices a parasitic growth in the dry tree and knows that a sap runs through the core of the seemingly dead tree. He prevents the tree from getting cut. He cries, "This is not dead. The sap is still running. This can be revived." Similar is the case with our religion. The tree of our religion can be redeemed, trimmed, and revitalized with sincere understanding and true seeking. Through the study of our ancient scriptures, modern science, and ancient religions both can learn, recognize, and reap the benefits of true religion. The study can expand their vision, which was till now limited to stony edifices of temples, churches, mosques, and the like. Different religions have their own sacred books, varying interpretations, and confusing rituals, which lead to mutual distrust, quarrels, and violence, all due to ignorance of what is true religion. Religion has to be understood as a science of living to include certain fundamental values essential for our day to day living. If this is not understood, then it would rightly be discarded. And if it is a dictatorial declaration of a scheme of living, it will be banished and replaced with a more desirable cult. It may be asked, why should a man hunt after a knowledge of a greater reality, of a greater power behind the obvious, the perceived, the experienced world of senses? More in next video.